Learn this in 2025 and make money in your sleep. Want to work 2 hours a day and earn a daily income even while you sleep? Well, see Daniela. And see Destiny. Did it by plugging into a simple automated system that requires no tech skills, no experience, and no followings. Now they're traveling and living debt-free and making money from their phones, all by following a proven step-by-step blueprint. Comment yes if you're ready to learn how this works and start your own automated income journey in 2025.